Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Croctober. And if you're new here, welcome, welcome. So friends, this whole month we're celebrating everything crock pot. Whether you're a seasoned slow cooker pro or just getting started, we've got you covered. All month long, I'll be sharing mouth-watering crock pot recipes that are perfect for those cozy fall days. And you won't want to miss my fun crock pot cooking tips to make your meals even easier. Plus, I'll be dropping some fun crockpot facts, cracking a few slow cooker jokes, and best of all, drum roll please, I've got an exciting giveaway coming your way. Want to win some awesome crockpot goodies? Make sure you stay tuned all month for your chance to enter. I'll be posting new content every day, and trust me, you don't want to miss out on any of the Crocktober fun. So hit that subscribe button, click the notification bell, and join me for all things Crockpot this month. From comforting meals to exciting giveaways, I've got a little something for everyone. Thanks for joining me for Crocktober, where we're slow cooking our way through fall. Thanks so much for watching, and if you haven't already, hit that little subscribe button. And also, please check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on all those social media sites as well. So, friends, thanks so much, and I'll see you tomorrow.